Hi, I'm Kane, I'm the project manager here at ClearVC. We've had the pleasure of working with the Highland Council for 8 years now, and in fact their original project was my first major install when I joined ClearVC as an engineer, so it's been a full circle moment to lead their latest technology refresh. Back then, we upgraded their video and camera tracking and rolled out video conferencing facilities across their estate. So when they approached us for the recent full AV overhaul at their headquarters, we already had a deep insight into their needs and a trusted relationship to build on. The council wanted to modernise their chamber for hybrid meetings, fully Microsoft Teams compatible but also flexible enough to serve the community as a public conferencing space. That meant performance, flexibility and return on investments were key. Their old setup included a 3x3 video wall array made up of 49-inch displays. Powered by an outdated Avaya codec, it was limited in functionality and required extra hardware just for streaming, and relied on 92 oversized desk microphones, leading to audio distortion and poor aesthetics within the room. We started by replacing this video wall array with a 3m by 1.7m LED display from the LED Studio. With a 1.5mm pixel pitch, it delivers stunning clarity, even in bright conditions, and it's energy efficient too. We built the system around a Crestron matrix chassis for its modular resilience. If a card fails, the system still keeps running. Presentation points throughout the space are connected via structured cabling linking repeater screens for full visibility across the chamber. The Teams experience is powered by a Crestron UC engine, a 10-inch touch panel giving users an intuitive control over inputs, audio, webcasting and meetings with just a tap. We replaced legacy microphones with a sleek OLED gooseneck unit powered by a Plexus AER engine. Audio is now clean, consistent and desk space is maximised. For video, we used 4 repositioned pan-tilt zoom cameras feeding into the Blackmagic switcher. Tracking is now software driven using TCAM, fully integrated with the Plexus engine. When a councillor activates their mic, the camera frames to them automatically. All 92 positions are mapped via presets. The council's democratic services now manages profiles, voting rights and meetings via the CoCon software. Using RFID enabled ID cards, it's secure, efficient and tailored to the governance workflow. Audio was overhauled too. Yamaha front of house speakers deliver directional sound for both Teams and presentation content, so the voices come from where you expect. Everything runs through an Extron DSP for precision tuning. To ensure accessibility, we added a wireless Listen IR receiver within the chamber for the assisted hearing. In the translation booth, we installed a Gaelic to English interpretation desk. This is crucial not just for this project, but also for this region. Live streaming is handled by an Epivan Pearl 2, capturing all AV feeds, enabling real-time switching and layout control. The council meetings can now be streamed or recorded with a single button press. Despite having a 2-week window during the autumn recess and a late microphone delivery due to courier issues, we pushed through, even supporting the joinery works to keep things moving. We handed the project over on time and on budget. Training was completed on handover day. We delivered in-depth sessions for the democratic services and IT support, and we continue to offer real-time assistance via remote access on the control PC, including guided troubleshooting via the touch panel. As with every project, we deliver comprehensive documentation, including labelling diagrams, signal flows and rack layouts to support the ongoing maintenance. 6 months on, the feedback has been outstanding. The space is clearer, more accessible and far easier to manage, empowering the Highland Council to host hybrid meetings and community events with confidence. At ClearVC, we don't just install AV systems, we deliver outcomes that elevate how organisations connect, collaborate and communicate, and we are proud to support councils like the Highland in leading the way.